Hello, Advocate Nikam. Myself also Advocate Rajendra Pathak, and I come to know that you are also having a great knowledge of Mantra Shastra. Advocate Nikam, I would like to know about the ancient Mantra Shastra, not in a nutshell, but some categories of mantras, which is very essential for the human beings. Because you know the better area of that things, please let me know about this.
In our Indian system, the basic mantras are collected in Vedas. There are 4 types of Vedas. One is Rigveda, Yajurveda, second, Samveda, third, and Atharveda, fourth. In that basic, Rigveda is the basic one, major one, and important one. In Rigveda, there are something around 10 chapters. We can call them Adhyaya or something like the Mandal, and total more than 100 suktas in every chapter. You can call so 1000 suktas or suktas are there, and around 10 to 11,000 mantras are there. So we came to the conclusion that in Rigveda there are 10,000 mantras. But in that mantras also, there are certain types of mantras which can be utilized for a particular problem or particular disease or particular things. And there are certain mantras which cannot be called mantras, but it's just a scientific theories or theorems. So we have to disintegrate them. In first, there are some mantras which can be called Vishwa Shanti mantra. Those mantras which can create the spandan or vibration, which is most important for social harmony, universal peace. And those mantras are basic mantras of Indian concept of thoughts. So first, we are there with Vishwa Shanti mantra in Vedas. Second, for particular deities or particular god, there are certain mantras. And other mantras just universally good or for any good purpose, there are certain mantras.
Sir, as an advocate, it is very easy to interact with you with a jurisprudential language. And one sentence of our taught is EB just UB remedium. When there is wrong, there is remedy. The same principle can you see in Mantra Shastra?
Yes. There is one Veda, Atharveda. And for various problems in day-to-day life, we have plenty of mantras for that. And the derivation of Ayurveda is from Atharveda. Our ancient system of Ayurveda is created from Atharveda. Is a base. Atharveda has evolved in Ayurveda system. And Ayurveda has 3 systems of diagnostic helping to the curing or helping to person. We call them as Sattva Vajaya, then Vyakti Vyapasara Chikitsa and Daiva Vyapasara Chikitsa. 3 systems or 3 dimensions are there. In those systems, in Sattva Vajaya or Vyakti Vyapasara, we are told that you don't eat this one, you don't eat that one, or you can be healthy or helpful by taking this syrup of this tree or something like that. And in Daiva Vyapasara Chikitsa, you are told which mantra or which sukta or stotra you can chant for your particular problem. And this area in today's Ayurveda, we are misplaced that, we are not teaching them, or people have not particular knowledge of that. But if we follow the system in Ayurvedas, Atharvedas and other things, we can recollect them and can be utilized. And this system I am utilizing for last 10-15 years. And I am helping people in thousands, and they are helped. They got some good results in curing capacity results.
So you are fully agree that Mantra Shastra is religious, you be remedial.
Yeah, I agree, and that's why I'm doing all these things.
Mr. Nikam, I am very much pleased about your personality, and I may say very boldly that mantra personality I always observe in your face. My next question is that in Nadi Grantha, Nadi leader always recommends that 14 number chapter and that is include of all these remedial and mantras. So it is closely connected to you. So please throw light on that subject.
In ancient systems, when Nadi was written or created, at that particular time, the person or Rishi who has written there, in his mind there is particular sense or some system in his thinking that particular problem is there, then there should be certain mantras of Shiva. If there is particular problem, so mantra should be of Vishnu. If there is any particular problem, it should be mantra from Mahalakshmi or Devi or something like that. So in such themes, they have given some guidance that you can call, you can go here, this particular place, or you chant this particular mantra. And now we sometimes find it difficult to locate those mantras or those areas. So for that purpose, we can give them some parallel themes also. For example, there are certain names of Vishnu, certain names of Krishna, certain names of Ram, and every name has some particular meaning. So which meaning is useful for which particular cause, and that mantra we can give for chanting to particular person. So there are thousands of names of every deity in our ancient scripts. So from them particularly, by use of Spandan Shastra or Mantra Shastra, we can derive or create new mantra for them, and they can be chanted by that.
You agree that 14 number chapter is essential, or 14 number chapter is full-fledged, is having a Mantra Shastra relationship?
Yes. Normally all base of writing the Nadi Granthas or giving experience to the person, it is for them that some particular path done by you. You can clarify them, you can nullify them, and you should go for pious living, you do some good things, and do something for your mokshas in particular journey after your death. And this is particular system. It is not that you will get this vehicle, you will get this plane, you will get this area or something. They are not interested in telling you how rich you will be, or they are telling you what is the reality of your life. And in that sense, we should see, or we should understand the Nadi readings and Nadi Granthas.
So Nikam sir, we would like to know about your future plans for this Mantra Shastra.
Our Mantra Shastra is big heritage for us, but we have underestimated or denied, or we are running away from this. So my particular job or my particular intention in doing all these things is create awareness in society. In village to village I am traveling, I am giving lectures, clearing their doubts and everything, and certain superstitious things which are bad or which are just illiterate mind can think. I am removing them, and I am clearing what the glorious Mantra Shastra is hidden in Vedas and in other systems. I am clearing everything. Just like you can say that I am clearing the fog, and we can take the view of golden Himalayas beyond that.